Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to teach you how to clean Calligraphy Qalam in a very easy way with just one thing that will clean your pen in minutes. First of all, we will take the sanitizer. We will rub it on the Qalam and with the help of tissue paper, we will clean it thoroughly. As you can see the ink on the tissue paper, how well the sanitizer is cleaning the ink. After cleaning with sanitizer, clean it with plain water with the help of tissue paper. As you can see here, the ink of this Qalam is completely clean. As you know, the calligraphy ink gets stuck on the Qalam, which makes the pen not write properly and does not give good handwriting. Now let's write with this Qalam. Now it's much lighter in weight than before, which will make our calligraphy strokes very clear and smooth. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell.